thinking to move left, like to the back, it's your rib cage moving. Quick, and slow. You can already record this. Okay. So the secret is to use rib cage as your legs. So don't think of the legs. So for example, if you do in Rumba this step, how you call this step? Wait.
Basic?
Yeah, not basic. Fifth position break. Okay. Fifth position break in Rumba. So instead of thinking the leg going to the side, think your rib cage going to the rib cage. Then think, even you step back, send your rib cage diagonally side and forward. Rib cage, then leg, rib cage, rib cage. So you have rib and rib and rib. Quick, quick and slow. Quick and slow. Quick and slow, rather than legs or hips. Hips already better than legs, but the best, it's a body action. Quick and slow. Quick and slow. And let's do a new video.